Applying themes. Themes are an inbuilt feature which offer you a quick way of changing the layout and design of the presentation that you have created. Each theme has its own set of colors, fonts, and effects. To apply themes to your presentation, open PowerPoint and follow the given steps. Step 1. Click on Design tab. Step 2. Click on the More drop-down arrow. All the available themes are displayed. As you hover over the mouse pointer over a theme, you can see a preview of the theme in the presentation. Step 3. Select the theme you wish to apply to your presentation. The theme is applied to the presentation. After applying a theme, you can select different theme colors and options from the Variants group. Variants do not change the overall look of the theme. They only provide you different color, font, effect, and background options for the same theme. A Design Ideas pane appears on the right side of the window. This pane shows you more design options for your presentations. You can scroll through the options to see if you like the design. Click on it to apply the idea to the current slide. You can change the theme anytime from the Design tab by repeating the same process. Modifying themes. After choosing a variant, click on the More drop-down arrow in the Variants group. You can change the colors, fonts, effects, and background styles from the given options.